Ashanti has been such a big blessing to Ghana. Such a big blessing to Ghana. And for some reason, you don't know why a lot of prophets originated from Ashanti. So
Asante maye edia oba ehia okura unyeska.
Wow. Sisu bi mame.
Me pesa me kire se Asante man eni ni wura din kura keke oba unyeska.
Inti no na kire se Ghana your man o. Ghana your man kese pa. West Africa. But Ghana no echi no yesa wo man wo Ghana we mu. Me ba cho unu musa man ko na mesra mame hwe comment section no.
Nice GA.
Yeah, open the focus and you say no credit ever could pay. You are saying it so now input a software realizes it. Asante a blessing to the nation. Yes. Reverend Eastwood Anaba. I didn't send you to just say Asante is a blessing to the nation. Ubian to say without Asante, no, the nation cannot prosper. Yes. The more video, but before that, I say don't get the assembly to go say every president, if free say democracy by are benefited from you are for an advising. Now see in all kind
I am aware that since the inception of this fourth republic, there is no president who has not benefited from the advice of it. I'm aware that President Jerry John Rawlings benefited from the advice of it. I'm aware that President Kufuor benefited immensely from the advice of it. And I'm equally aware that President Mills and President Mahama both benefited immensely from the advice of Otumfuo. And I'm aware that Otumfuo has given series of advice to the sitting president Nana Akufo.
Say don't get the more to the enemy. Otumfuo advice will be a benefit every president. It is so you'll be a way seeing us man. Baying from so I'm a sabi. I'm here with my mood crying the best thing happened to Mahama and he said, oh yeah, fast diamonds a cool yoga, a coaching in Cebu Asia. Sape Pepe, na me try and 7 swap. Yeah, Reverend Eastwood Anaba, or the similar to just say, Asante a blessing to the nation. In the anyone, I say, oh, our software and our prophetic ministry now, Asante any free. Ubia one background, no Asante. Na yinti said Eastwood Anaba, a kind yinti.
Ashanti has been such a big blessing to Ghana. Such a big blessing to Ghana. And you look at the encouragement we have all received where, what is the name? Various languages are receiving the Bible translated into their language. Like recently they just produced the New Testament in Frafra language. But before then, Akan language has been there for many years, and the keep preaching. And you know, there is something about this region, and that has to do with the prophetic anointing. You know, we are doing apostolic and prophetic, and for some reason you don't know why a lot of prophets originated from Ashanti. So one day some people were complaining, why is it that all the prophets are coming from Ashanti? I said you should rather go to the Bible and ask, why were all the priests from the tribe of Levi? God could have chosen them from Judah, he could have chosen them from Dan, he could have chosen them from Gad, but he just chose one tribe. And that's because many times when God is choosing, we normally want to pretend that God does not consult your past and he doesn't consult your origin before he chooses you. But there are times he does. There is something about this place, this region. And God just decided, you know what? I want this particular gift to come from this area. I remember there were some years ago, almost every strong evangelist in this country came from the Volta region for some reason. The ones who were into deliverance and they are casting out devils and they are burning idols. And that is because from their background, they were dealing with that thing. So when they are in it, they don't struggle. And I believe that Ghana, God has blessed us with a prophetic gift. And we are not ashamed of it at all. We are not ashamed of it at all. I mean, it's like you go to America and a lot of the American preachers, they are teachers.
Reverend Eastwood Anaba na kuti many we are doing since Asante shira e de my Ghana phobi any your mind say instead some better tap into the blessings no on person they be attack blessings ne than case to them sana adeno eti think a best thing is some better tap into the blessing no ma combine say if you can beat them join them and your mind of course come e de amount na ma mento a nsem ne so inform we go TikTok or the nsem bi aba betuga or say o man Ghana o de so o man bi o no ma sa wo Ghana na say you see casem e di kan ipa yinti no ma
Intino na kyerɛ sɛ Ghana your man o. Ghana your man kɛseɛ pa. Ɛwɔ West Africa. But Ghana no echi no yɛsa wɔ man wɔ Ghana we mu. Me ba twɛ wonu sa man ko na mesrɛ mame hwɛ o comment section no. Sa nkrofo ma disappoint me pa. Ghana ha no echi no yɛsa wɔ man ɛwɔ Ghana no mu. Hey. Ana menya asɛm. Aje. Ghana chi no yɛsa wɔ man wɔ hɔ. Sa man yɛsa unya bo sa man ni dimpe na ma bi me de be posti wɔ no. Ɔse unya bo man ni dimpe a benyeska. Nti wonim sa man na me pa twɔ. Ghana ha o man sa o Ghana we mu. Hey! Sa nkrofo ma disappoint me de o ma asɛm beba. Me de o ma disappoint me papa. O ma ni wu se poto. Mani wu I ma share them sa 4 days. Na me di me mpie ma bobo ano kronpo mehwe se nwura no aso aye green and aye blue and aye na me di me mpie until say sa man kro no me pa cho o man kro no wudi ma comment mame wudi ma comment
Asante man ye edin a obo a ehia wo kra unya sika
Wow. Sisu bi mame.
Me pesa me kire say Asante man eni ni wura din kura keke obo a unya sika
that is ubisa say your mind by fato comment section for mine to comment section na me wi na be say me kai Ghana for ade Ghana map no ana tete no na map a ye wo ene da me nche ha say check it na wo kasa o de o patch no hu say the map no esisi so map no da house ni hu Asante hu de tele no de no vote I know Gold Coast nana e wo ho nti se o tse obi kasa Asante ni bia no ya ho anu amana ha ama oyem anhwehwe ni nim se de me kanu ni be ya gina nti mema oyem hwehwe se bia be de do hu bi bisa sa pepe nti bia e ma ne nya o ya se bia do se yi wura ba bi na bia obi ntimi wura sa ene ya Asante ma ye nya me ne de Asante ma bi dwa be bia o so do hu dwa 2000 the year 2000 you got and I said the year 1999 2000 and okosra Queen Elizabeth a omo je ne first year na wa wetu no de fivi bi ne kakra no yes enti ohu bibi sa na se bia o te na ohu se wo yego timi ko bebia ma ne hawo nkofo bi won ma sa na wa de e na wa ye sa pepe no wa enti me ma enya wo ya just join them collaborate so they be ya bia be de e be koso one e de mo na bibia wa no sa pepe no se na ndi twato no nkotie Opemsoɔ presenter no na obo yiwa na yefa tumudi na
yento ahene kwa krobra yefia nwoma Asante kotoko osai si ofiri kumase adura mpofrantwi boafo akon okokyira ahene sai a wofiri kotoko wie kotoko da amra wonum subin osai wo ho ba bi yodum beso ho ba bi yodan wo ho ba bi yonyira wo ho ba bi nso yakakpempen Asante mamomofo odum frete dan frete frede frete osai wona wode na foche de nchemche paya no patututu amodi osei o say to yebo odin o yebo odin a yebo kon odin ye ma mu nso a ye ma mu ne kon o say to e me say woni nchen funa mpo a obakofo eni wasem apiafo yento ohene kwa krobra ye fia nwoma asante kotoko o say si ofiri kumase adura mpo frantwi boafo akon okokyira hene sei a wofiri kotoko wie kotoko da amra wonum subin o say wo ho ba bi odum me so ho ba bi odan wo ho ba bi onyira wo ho ba bi nso yakakpempen asante mamomofo odum frete dan frete frede o say wo na wode na fo chede nchemche paya no patututu amodi o say tu yebo odin o yebo odin a yebo kon odin ye ma mu nso a ye ma mu ne kon o say tu e me say woni nchen funa mpo a obakofo eni wasem apiafo
and then they can mess also subscribe and share so the be am drop video be on sa e beti na asante man update ni na ha e na obi na makra